Menteri kata nak kau kakek aja ke jelau ba el है खेने का खासाव तेरे गुनाई लोर आजा आरफो उलापनते बलाखang no shipori karung kami hayeng ulat harian basau poingut ki batrai ha office jong ulat kintu bu secretary jong u bat ki staff kilayo covid-19 uba hai ulapnte ba watla la dan sau poingut ki bi positive haraj bhavan hinre ulat ke jela meglaya u satyapal malik ukhlam ye bed ekne ke jingpang namar ka nomuna ka jong u kalong negative.
Now we have to be declared as the containment zone. Because the entire staff of almost all have been tested positive. So we have to contain that area, that place.
So the containment has already been done, sir?
I have not asked officially, but while coming from there, I have seen it's already seen. I mean, it's already contained. It is already contained.
And like, sir, since it's a high...
Yeah, obviously the tracing contact will be there. That is obviously, that is normal procedure here. That is the protocol has to be followed. What do you call this? Tracing contact has to be there. But as far as my knowledge goes, if it is the tracing contact also it will be very difficult. But it is already a community spread. Those people, those are residing in Rajbhavan, mostly they are from there only. They are staying in quarters, somebody are coming from Shillong only. They are from there only, from Shillong only. So, tracing contact, they will find it out.
So it's a community spread?
No, not in Rajbhavan. How you can say it's a community spread in Rajbhavan? That's very wrong. It's just now I'm telling you the community spread has started. That has started everywhere, not in Rajbhavan.